Hello, I'm Sandra, and this is Laura and Melchizedek. We are early years practitioners for Lewisham Children and Family Centres. Out and about with nature. When young children play outdoors, their senses are stimulated by what they can see, smell, hear and feel.
Ooh, should we touch it? There we go. It smells lovely, doesn't it?
Some activities include jumping in puddles,
Ooh, here we go. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, splash!
using vocabulary,
Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash, splash!
listening to sounds,
What can we hear? Oh, did you hear that? Oh, I think that sounded like somebody on a bicycle. Did you hear that? And that sounds like a car going by.
using lots of descriptive words for objects.
Now let's see, what can we find? Look what we've got here. We've got a leaf. Shall we see if the leaf can float in the water? Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, look at that, it is. Should we give it a blow? Look, it's moving, isn't it? Shall we do it again?
Collecting interesting things,
Let's go on a hunt for some things we can find in the garden. What can we find? Oh, look what I found down here. Shall we see what this can do? Oh, it's a very... looks like a vine, doesn't it? Like we're in the jungle. Here we go. Ooh, 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 ooh.
playing games like I Spy,
I spy with my little eye something beginning with worth of water. Woo! Splish, splash, splash.
Thank you for watching from me, Sandra, Laura and Melchizedek.